Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we have CPI inflation data coming out today for the US. Should be a really big news event for all the dollar pairs, especially if the tariffs have been affecting inflation, which you would think that they would have. Now, this move down that we currently have been in for the last about 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks, very likely could just be a pullback to this move up right here. So that's why we got our Fibonacci retracement on just to move up. We are way at the 50% level, so really the most ideal thing to happen today, be either prior to the news or at the news, would be for this to drift down one more time, really grab the liquidity around the 61%, and then go up and then give us a break of structure. If we see that picture right there, then that is exactly what I would for sure be looking for to help me identify the end of an ABC correction and probably the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't make that picture right there, then it may not actually continue up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the most ideal thing to happen is that this would actually go down one more time, and maybe this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes down and makes a wave 5, bounces from the 61%, goes up, breaks structure. If I see all that happen, then that is the evidence I would definitely would be looking for to say that this is the end of an ABC correction and potentially the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't do all that, but instead just pushes beyond the 61%, then just continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.